bedroom number 1. We do have an overhead light, and even with the blinds closed, there's still a ton of natural light in here. Across the hall to bedroom number 2. And the closet's behind that door. And across the hall again to bedroom number 3. The heat's working well, but I don't know how well the microphone's picking up that noise, but that is the HVAC pumping. So for me personally, I think it's way too loud. I hope you got some value and possibly some entertainment out of this. If you want to check out the full video, I'll have the link in the description below.